This tutorial will walk you through the process of linking Sagevantage to your Blackboard course and setting up GradeSync. Before you can include deep links in your Blackboard course, you will need to create your Sagevantage course, which I've already done here in Sage. You have to go to vantage.sagepub.com and then click Create Course. And here's the course that I've created. There's a video on that too if you wanted to look at that. You also have to determine whether you're in your original view or the ultra view. This is the original view, and you'll notice that by the black navigation bar here to the left. And this is what the ultra view looks like. It's all white, and you add your content here with the pluses. So this video is going to be of the original view. So I've already downloaded a course pack, which gives me some basic information like textbook information, and then it also created my folders for me. So like I have chapter 1 here with learning objectives and flashcards, and now I'll just need to have to go in here and put my links. But I'm going to go and start with the textbook information, because I always suggest that you put a link here and call it click here to register and access Sagevantage for your students. So to access Sagevantage, to create the deep links, we're going to click on build content, and then we're going to go find our link to our LTI tool. You will not have this many. I do, because we have different divisions in Sage and different staging areas. So we have production and review and all that. So I'm going to click here into our LTI tool. It's going to now take me to a picker. So first I'm going to select my course that I created. So here's the North House Blackboard course I created today. So I'm going to select that. And this will be the only time you'll have to do that. So now here's my picker. I can absolutely go from all chapters, or I can do all resources. But right now, I'm going to just do one link. I'm going to link to the course dashboard. I'm going to click here. And then if I want to do, I just want to have one link, and then I want to do GradeSync as well, I can come in here to the other resource types pull down menu, click here, and then I'm going to just do chapter test. So I can come in here and then just select GradeSync for all the chapters. So this is going to put one link in, and then I'm GradeSyncing all of the chapter tests for the grades to flow to my gradebook in Blackboard. So I'll just now click continue. And so when I click here to continue, I have my course dashboard, and then I'm just going to confirm that. So this is the confirmation page, and then I'm going to hit continue again, and then it says successful. So I'm going to go back into my content area, and then you have to go to this black navigation, and up at the top you have a little circle here of the black navigation bar of Blackboard, and click there, and that's going to refresh your screen. And now I have my link to Vantage, but I'm going to come in here and I'm going to call it something different than course dashboard. So I'm going to go edit it. I wanted to say something very specific so the students understand where it is that I want them to do here. I'm going to say click here to register and access Sagevantage. And you can say, Sagevantage textbook or e-textbook or activities or whatever, Vantage e-text. And hit submit. And then if you get this pop-up, hit cancel, because what you want to do is, we're going to go ahead and edit it again. And we're going to go and open it in a new window. So right here, open a new window. And that just gives the students a better reading experience. So I'm going to hit submit. And now when I click here, I can direct the students to click here to access Vantage, and then do all the activities, or read the textbook and then do the chapter test. So this just takes me to my student dashboard. I know what I have to do. And then I can also go directly to the table of contents. I can read my chapter 1. I can start reading it, and then at the end, here's my chapter test. And then that grade will flow to the grade book. So now if I go into the grade area, to Grade Center, I'm going to see the chapter test columns in the grade book. And so now you'll see all the chapter tests that I have just linked to. I have grade synced from Vantage to my gradebook in Blackboard. This is how to put one link and grade sync inside of your Blackboard course to link to Vantage.